There's a 3-word psychological trigger that makes people physically stupid saying no to your offer. And today, I'm finally exposing it for you. Look, I get it. You've poured your heart and soul into creating the perfect product. You've skipped meals, missed parties, and obsessed over every single detail. And then crickets. That feeling is soul crushing. You start to wonder, is my idea good? Am I good enough to do this? Here's the profound truth I've learned after years in the trenches. It's rarely about your product. It's always about your offer. A good product with a bad offer is going nowhere. A decent product with an irresistible offer, that's how empires are built. And today, I'm giving you the keys to that empire. Here's the fundamental mistake every new entrepreneur makes. You think selling a service or product, you're not. You're selling a transformed future. Think about it. When someone hires a personal trainer, they don't want the trainer. They want the confidence. They want to look in the mirror and feel proud to have the energy to play with their kids, to feel strong, capable in their own skin. But you know what we do? We get stuck selling workouts. We say, you get 12 sessions. We have state-of-the-art equipment instead of saying, hey, I'm gonna paint this vivid, tangible picture of the life they'll have after they've achieved their goals. And I know you're thinking, but I do focus on the benefits, but there's a crucial difference between listing benefits and painting a vision so compelling that saying no feels like rejecting a better version of themselves. You have to sell the confidence, not the workouts. So how do we do that? How do we start selling that transformed future? It starts with simplifying. Most entrepreneurs think value means volume. They add more bonuses, more modules, more features, but the true value as your client perceives it comes from clarity. That is the main focus here. This brings us to the first pillar of the irresistible offer, the single promise. You must distill your entire offering down to one crystal clear big promise, not 5 promises, one singular transformational outcome. When you make a single bold promise, you magnetically attract those who desperately want that exact outcome. You speak directly to their deepest desires. It's the confident approach. It says, I know precisely what I can do for you, and here is that one thing. I'm giving it to you. Now, once you have that single promise, we layer on the psychological trigger that makes saying no feel just plain wrong. I call it the design for you principle. The power isn't a single magic phrase, but in the profound shift in the perception you create. You frame your offer so it speaks directly to your ideal client. Think about how a new entrepreneur feels, overlooked, intimidated, like a small fish in a huge pond. When an offer lands that feels like it was designed specifically for them, it creates a visceral reaction of belonging. It cuts through all of their objections. It says, I see you, I understand your specific struggle, and this was crafted with your unique situation in mind. So instead of a clunky add-on, you integrate it seamlessly. For example, my 90-day coaching program is designed specifically for new online coaches who feel overwhelmed by the client acquisition process to help them land their first 3 high-ticket clients. That specifically, that personal call-out, that is gold. Saying no to something so clearly intended for your success feels deeply irrational. It feels like turning down a custom-made key for your specific lock. Imagine waking up 6 months from now, you have a roster of clients who are excited to work with you. Your confidence isn't faked, it's earned. You're not just getting by, you're building real momentum. This is about connecting on a deeper level and building a reputation as the go-to person for a specific outcome. Now, having these insights is just one thing, but implementing them into a system that actually scales is another. Building irresistible offers, getting them in front of the right people, managing the client journey, it needs the right tools. That's why I partner with HighLevel. It's an all-in-one platform that lets you manage your funnels, email, CRM, everything in one place. It removes the tech burden so you can focus on what you do best. If you want to try it, I've got a link for a free 30-day trial. It's normally $14. It's a whole month to test these principles on a powerful platform with 0 risk. But honestly, the trial isn't the best part. When you sign up with me, you get an entire $32,000 of bonus that isn't just PDFs. We're talking live coaching calls with me and my team. We help you craft your irresistible offer. You get my proven high converting templates for landing pages, ad copy, email sequences, and everything I wish I had when I was just starting out. It's all packaged to give you the unfair advantage. Seriously, check out the link in the description. It's there if you're ready to move from ideas to income. So to wrap this up, start selling features, start selling a transformed future. Distill your value into a single promise and frame it so it feels designed for your ideal client. Go back and reread your offers. Do they scream that they were built for a specific person? If this sparked a new way of thinking, do me a favor and hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dive into psychology of scaling your business. And share this with other entrepreneurs who desperately need to hear it. You have something incredible to offer the world. Now go craft offers that refuse to be ignored. I believe in you.